Are you having problems staying consistent with your healthy habits? Well, this video is for you. So, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Denise. And for today's video, what I will show you is how to build consistent habits using the Pomodoro Technique. So, please stick up until the end of the video para wala kayong ma-miss na kahit ano. And let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Step 1. Choose a task you want to work on. Step 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Step 3. Start working on the task with full focus. From reading, marami pa tayong habits or tasks na pwede nating i-improve using the Pomodoro task or using the Pomodoro Technique, like journaling, exercise, meditation, and if itatry nyo itong Pomodoro Technique na to sa pag-i-improve ng task or any habits, huwag nyo i-overwhelm yung sarili nyo. Just do like one habit or task using this technique para hindi kayo mabigla, ma-burn out, tamadin, or whatsoever. And look, after 3 days na paggamit nyo ng Pomodoro Technique, parang mag-automatic na yung or magmamatic na kapag nakita nyo yung bagay na kailangan yung gawin, hindi nyo na kailangan i-timer. So, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now!